thanks for coming by and thanks for your interest in the Gilian Dustlight. So it's our really new real-time dust monitor that is not only showing the dust concentration in real time, but also logging all the data on there. So compared to parametric sampling, you really get a detailed analysis of your workday. So you see a graph, you see your live values, and really are rating if your workday was compliant. So it really takes away a lot of your work from a day-to-day basis, and it's so easy to understand. It's lighting like green, everything's fine, but it's turning yellow or red, those two lights, then you're in danger and should do something about it. The great thing about the Dustlight is that you can really use it together with parametric sampling, and it really both systems benefit from each other. With the Dustlight, you can easily identify where your dust exposure is coming from. So you walk around with it and you see in real time which area is especially dusty. And then you can really start working on that. Try to minimize it, put in some countermeasures. And then you see in real time if they're working, if you brought down the dust concentration. And then in the end, you still do the parametric sampling for compliance. So the Dustlight is the best tool to really get going, get into action, and then with the sampling, you confirm the compliance.